Okay, today is September the 20th. It's a Friday evening and I'll be driving from home to Midway to drop off a skateboard for a little man. He just called me. He said he wanna go skateboarding a third day this weekend. So I'm gonna do that. The time is 5:24. I need to be over there by before 6 because the place closes at 6. Alright, that's me. I'm gonna shoot a short video here. Driving from here home is a little behind me here to Midway. Peace. I'll be jamming to 80s music. Alright, peace people. Click the button below and subscribe. Gonna go to a small store over there. I usually buy some, it's called mandazi. It looks like tortilla but it's better. This is University Avenue here. The sun is right in front of me. That's why the video might not be very clear. put it on pause for now.